Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about this Vue todo app. This is the very interesting apps for extremely beginners. So if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So let me discuss about this Vue app. So this is our empty app. Just type here simply web code camp and click this submit button, and you will show that added this inside of this tags listed. Okay, so try here another something new word like that. Subscribe now, subscribe my channel. Okay, then the bell icon. Okay, so guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to like that. It's not a like that todo app. You will show that this is the crud operation, and obviously if you want delete this and like that, click this button, it will be deleted. And if you want to click this edit, then change this edit here. Okay, web code camp tutorial, and you will show that it will be changes. Okay, so that is. And if you want to like this todo app, then click this here and you will that to do, then click this again here and you will this in progress like that. When you will completed this task, then obviously at first to do, then you will create this in progress like that, running it, and then click this here again, then it will be show that just finished. Okay, then your task is now complete. Still successfully completed this task. Okay, so I hope you will understand this process, and this is our crud operation and to-do list app. So in this tutorial I hope you will enjoy this. Okay guys, so let's start code without wasting of time. Project inside of your folder like that, Vue create, then here will be your project name like that, todo app. Then click this enter, and it will be completed like that 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so I already installed this project. For that, I'll skip this. Okay guys, so just simply type here cmd and open this code dot, then it will be open like that, Visual Code Studio. Okay, so okay guys, so at first you will open this your project, then just simply clear this inside of this component folder, then simply type here todo app.vue. okay, so that's it, and it will show that here is nothing. And obviously at first I have to clean this project in my project folder like that. I have been deleted this like that hello world.vue, and just simply inside of this parent component, just I have deleted this like that hello.vue component from here. Okay, so inside of this component you will at first you will create this todo app, then just import this your app.vue like that here. Okay, so I hope you will understand this imported class here, and render this here todo app. Okay, so this is our project preparing. Okay, so let's start the code inside of this todo app.vue. Simply type here Vue scaffold inside of this here folder. Okay, and obviously export it name, then to do f. Okay, so just to simply type here heading tag inside of this, like that, div dot class name, just container. Okay, and give this and you will add this another new terminal here. Okay, just to simply install this bootstrap. To come back in your browser and type here npm install bootstrap. Okay, just you will find easily inside of this npm.js.com. then just simply copy this and paste it here inside of your terminal. Okay, just wait a few of minute. Okay, type here npm audit fix. Okay guys, so just import this here bootstrap inside of this. So okay guys, so let's go to the main.js and simply import it here. Okay, bootstrap done this and css, just bootstrap.main.css. okay, so now we're successfully import this bootstrap.main.css. okay, so go to the todo.f.vue and just give this bootstrap style dy style, then max white. Pixel. Just start now heading. Start. Class name text center. Just it will be empty 5. Here will be your project name, like that, your title name, like that. This is my Vue to do f, my Vue to do. Okay, we will show that this is my Vue to do f. okay, so our project is just running now and testing successfully completed. Here I'm gonna creating this input button, like that, input. Div dot class name deflags. And it will be same this empty5. So you don't know empty what means of empty5, just copy it and paste it here your browser. Okay, then just stuff, then you will show that okay. So let me discuss about this. Just to simply margin top, that means empty5. Okay, so don't worry about this. I just added another input button. Input, it will be just text. Then here I will use like that B model. B model, just it will be just tags, and I will give this placeholder inter tags. I'll give this class name here, just white 100, and from control okay, just I will complete this tag here. Okay, we'll show that inter tags input button is here. Okay, so you will show that inter tags, just simply this is placeholder. You have to go to Google and to simply type here bootstrap table, and you will show that here is a, you will find it simply bootstrap table. Okay, border table. Okay, so simply copy this here, and you will come back inside of your code to do f, just simply paste it here. Okay, then you will show that. Okay, so then you will show that this is your listing f, and this is your first and last and handle. Okay, so just I'm creating this our project handling tags like that. Okay, simply I'll delete this from here. Okay, and also I will delete this from here. Okay, so you will show simply show that this is your heading. Okay, table heading. So just edit this first. So now I'm creating this my table here, tags. Okay, then it will be just simply type here status, status, and I'll give this class style here like that is style, then width, pixel. Okay, so then I'll change it, delete, edit, delete. Okay, edit, delete, and I'll just simply give this class like that. Class, I'll add this class name. Class will be text center. Copy this, paste it here inside of this your delete button. you'll show that edit delete. Okay, so this is our heading text just now completed. Okay guys, so just I'm creating inside of this tier, and again, and simply type here td and type here like that list of your to-do list, add anything here, to do if just here. Okay, so at first I'll just add this. Simply I'll go to in my browser and type here fonts awesome icon, fonts font awesome, then you will simply find it your font awesome icon, and at first you will just install this. Okay, and I will give this in the link in my description below. So at first you will install this here, just add another command and type here copy this, and you come back in your command promote and install this. Okay, if any it will install in your project folder then successfully, then you will just import this your main.js. So okay guys, so simply copy this from here and paste it your main.js folder. Okay guys, so that's it, and successfully font awesome icon install it. Okay, just I'm going to creating this two icon here, one for editing and one for deleting button inside of this table. So just type here td and one for editing d like that span, and here is okay, just I'm creating this class name here. Class will be fafa pen, and simply copy this, paste it here, change it, delete. Okay guys, simply will come back in your browser and it will show that here is a coming like that question mark inside of this your edit button and delete button. Okay, I will fix this issue. At first you will use it trash and you will use it pen. Okay, and you'll use edit icon and delete icon. You'll show that inside of this edit and delete. Okay, this position is center. Come back in your code and you will show that div class center, text center, and here will be just text center. Okay, going to starting this view functionality. So inside of this script, at first make sure that with comma and create this data functionality like that data, until I'm going to create this return object. Here just tags empty and use it comma. Then edit tags, it will be null. Status, here I'll use it just array, and in the few minutes later I will describe it how can I what can I do use it just array inside of this like it to do. Then use it in progress. Just use it finished. Okay, so when you will create this your tags, then it will be just to do, and it will just showing to you just 3 position. One is like that to do, and second in progress, and third number of. When you create this your tags, then it will be just showing to you just finished. Okay, so this tags, just I will create this another tags. Colon expected. Okay, semicolon expected. So okay guys, simply I will create this here inside of this edit tags, null and status, like that. Already I told this about this. Just simply I'll create this same status tags bar inside of this here. Okay, so here inside of this GD, and just I'll guys, so just I'm gonna creating this inside of this here like that tier, and just okay guys, so you will read this instruction like that. The string property should be a constructor. Okay, so here just I mistake it, change it here, msg string, just simply type here a string. So that's it, and you will show that our project is okay and everything is okay. So inside of this you will follow this prop when you will create these props, and obviously you will make this constructor. Okay, so just now here I'm going to create this another before, like that. Inside of this td simply give them it's okay. So already define it, table body. It is 2 times, I will delete this simply. Okay, so inside after this t body, and just I'll define this before, like that, before directive, and I'm going to create this at first index, like that, elements of the reusable trucks, and here so I just simply use it, trucks index, in trucks here I just use it key binding key, then it will be just index. Okay, so that's it, and you will show that when just already I create this key binding here just before roof, then it will be just automatically seen here your 3 times in this, like that, to do and anything here. Okay, so just edit this your key binding name here, like that, status and trucks name. Okay, so simply I'll delete this here, and I'll use it in the second curly braces. First just simply define these tags and dot name, then you will show that this is okay, and everything is fine in this here inside of these tags, like the type code camp, and subscribe now and create YouTube video. Okay, just I'll minimize this code. Now you will show that here, just I will show that type code camp and subscribe now and to create YouTube video, and you will show that everything is coming here accurately. Okay, so guys, this is our functionality in the Vue JS, so don't worry about this. Now I am creating this in the status button in the progress, and you will show that to do and in progress and finished. Okay, so then I will create create this function another, like the edit button and delete button. Okay, then our project will be successfully completed. Okay, line through, make sure that it comma, and obviously tags binding here, the tags dot status is equal to finished. just delete this here, and here in delete first character of tag name like that, just td. Okay, then you will show that status, and just set up this td, and this time I'm going to create this. Okay guys, so now I'm creating this for this status like that, in progress, and like that, to do and finished. Okay, so in this position of just 3, and just now I'll define this 3 position in this here like that span. Then just I'm gonna creating this class name here, and it will be obviously inside of this pen name like that, so that class name just pointer select at the rate click, it will be just change status, then change status, edit index, class, inside of this class like that, just text center, text will be inside of this text danger for to do. Okay, track status dot status, and this is equal to like that to do. Okay, so copy this and paste it here, more times. Obviously use it comma, then error has gone. Okay, so change this, it will be just success, and here it will be just warning. Okay, so you will show that here is nothing change. Okay, just here is nothing to come inside of this status button, so don't worry about this. So this text is very simple, like the delete text index, for trace pointer, and edit, and the for pen pointer. Okay. So don't worry about this. Now I'm creating this another methods inside of this data, and simply create this here. Methods. Just use it, capitalize. Then it just change it, return dot assert string, and convert it character, rate 0, and that it will be just convert it to uppercase, and it will just plus string str dot slic slice 1. Okay. Change it like that. Change status, index, let new index, just call this function this dot status. Okay. Obviously I've been uses these statuses for that index is off, and here this call this your function like that. Oh sorry, here this you will call this your property name, just this dot tags here, and simply type here inside of this tags, use it array index dot status, new index greater than 2, is equal 0, then simply call this dot tags, then use it array from index reusable dot status equal this dot statuses, and use it array with that new index. Okay, so that's it, and make sure that with comma, make sure that with semicolon. So property status does not exist on the type string. Okay. Okay guys, it will show that here is a mistake like that edit button, just left right. Okay, so don't worry about this, I'll fix this. Okay, we'll show that this our problem is fixed now. This is just simply you can change this your delete and edit. Okay, so that's it. And you will change this inside of this here like that td and just delete this and paste it here simply. Okay, then you will show that. Okay, so this is the basically right way, and simply edit it again, edit and delete it here, delete it button, delete button from here, and it will show that this is the right path, and just edit and delete. Okay, at first click this edit, then if you want to like that edit anything in this here, and you will delete this. Just now I'm gonna creating this set of this status, then edit and delete. Okay, so now just I'm gonna creating this edit for edit button, edit tags, edit tags, just use it index or reusable property inside of this here, and you will show that index like that. This dot tags, and the equal, it will be just this dot tags index name dot edit tags equal tags tags equal just simply index. Okay, to make it key like that edited tags, but why? Let's delete this. Okay, so this is our project successfully running now using index and obviously use it this dot tags dot slice, it not a slice, it's splice, SPLIC index dot index comma 1, make sure that it's semicolon. Nothing to happen inside of this our project demo, so don't worry about this. Set up this methods property, but okay, so just now I'm gonna creating this submit tags like that, submit tags inside of these, and just if when I click this here submit button, and this will be just tags now, tags, then dot length is equal to 0, and return this value. If it will just long, then this dot tags like the dot length, or just here I'll use it another like that edit tags, not equal or null, this dot tags this dot edited tags dot name. Okay, then equal this dot tags, simply use it, this dot edited tags equal null, don't work now in this happen, and just I'll show this inside of this here. Okay, just at first I'll finish this program inside of this button. Okay, so this dot tags dot tags dot push, at first I'll passing this name here, just this dot tracks, use it comma, and status, here I'll use it to do, make sure that with comma, semicolon. Okay, then set up this, and here just I'll use it this dot tracks equal empty, use it comma, use it comma. Okay, so use it semicolon. Don't show nothing to happen in this here. Okay, inspect this and input data rewind console, waiting for update signal from WS, like that. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm just I've been finished this in my project coding. Okay, so at first you will show that heading tag and just use it before model inside of this. Okay, so then you'll just click this, use it here, click event submit tags, then submit button. Okay, so inside of this here you will use it before bind, like that, before loops inside of this tags name. Okay, so then you can use it inside of this like that, to do, and position status like that, finished and in progress. Then just you will create this another delete tags and edit tags here. Okay, so inside of this properties like that, from and you will obviously will create this constructor inside of this. So and here just data function, you use it data function and this return object, and you can anything this you can getting anything inside of this data properties here. Okay, so just now you'll create this another like the capitalize in string inside of this here, slice, use it slice, then change its status index like that, delete and edit button. Okay, then submit, this is the submit button tags like that. Inside of this anything you can return, don't never it, but you can editing this, then we will just simply use this function. Okay, so this is our function like that, push and tags name, this tags and push, anything you can find, simply you will come back in your project like that. Here type here anything, if when you click this submit button, that means it will be just pushing your OS inside of this listed in your taxes here. Okay, so this is our project basically, and simply will create this to do and in progress. Now in number of second in progressing system, then when you click this another inside of on this button, just click this and it will be finished, and then you will show that like simply cut it in the hello world. Okay, so you will check it another, just now that's showing to this in progress. Okay, so when you click this again and just it will has been done. Okay, so it has done, until just you don't like it and just delete this button and it has gone, and just you can anything edit this and simply type here and click this here. Okay, so subscribe now, web code come. Okay, so just pushing this submit button like that's been click this submit button, then it will be added inside of this list. Okay, so okay guys, so this is basically our Vue JS project. Okay, so just I have done this project, and if you want to like my video, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel So hopefully this tutorial for extremely beginners, and description below, check it again, and if you want edit and delete, and you can easily use it, and I hope you can learn more in this project. Okay, this is the basically Vue JS basic project for your education purpose. So if you want, you can anything use it. So today I will finish this tutorial, and if you want like this in my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Web Content Camp, and follow this in my tutorial and Facebook page. Okay, so thanks for watching.